mag-cook munggo, guys. Wapake ako mag-cook. With matching earring. It's not working, babe.
What?
It's not working again.
Okay.
How did you do it? Oh, there it is. Mungo soap.
$2,000 years later.
Nah, not a fan, babe.
Not yummy?
Nah, not like your adobo.
The adobo is yummy.
Yes, adobo's yummy. This is not so yummy.
You have no choice. That's only our that's only our dinner for tonight.
There's lasagna in there.
Mungos.
The mangoes don't taste like much. They don't have much flavor.
You want it salty? Because we don't have salt.
say, when I say it doesn't have much flavor, you say salt. Is salt the only flavor you know?
Yeah. Sweet and salty and sour. Why? What do you like? What do you want it? Like, taste like what?
When I say flavor, I'm like, mango has flavor. The adobo had flavor. It's kind of bland.
Yeah, because that doesn't have salt. We forgot to buy salt.
Mango doesn't have salt. I mean, the mango doesn't have salt.
It's supposed to have. It's supposed to be seasoned with salt, babe, to make it yummier. I only season it with the magic syrup.
I don't use salt when I cook.
Yeah, but that's a
Flavors come from the
Filipino food.
flavors come from the food, not from the salt.
Well, that's the flavor.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't have much flavor. That's all.
He doesn't like the mongo, guys. He doesn't like the mongos.
Well, you know, I'm honest.
We can't live in the Philippines because we always eat mongos. Everyday mongos.
Not this mango.
Are we gonna wait here?
Pickup's right here.
We ordered McDo because there's no one to eat the mango. She ordered the McDo because she don't want to eat the mango.
I didn't order the bill. I ordered 20 pound cheese.
Daddy man mo ka og monggos. Order og McDo.
That's not straight ahead, is it?